To create a Google document, click the red Create button. Once clicked, you will see the items available in the Google Drive Online Productivity Suite. Select Document. Since this is a web-based program, this document resides on the web. The web address is located in the URL in your address bar at the top here. Unlike traditional word processing programs, you do not need to save your document, but you do need to title it. To title, click on the words Untitled Document. A box will show up and type the title. When you're done, click OK. You will see that the title has been changed. Format Painter is a great tool to know how to use in Google Docs. To demonstrate, I will type 2 sentences. One sentence I will give heavy formatting. So I've made it bold and I've changed the color. The other sentence I'm going to leave in basic formatting. I'm now going to apply the same formatting to the non-formatted text by placing the cursor in the text. Then I'll click on the Format Painter icon and then highlight the non-format sentence. You will see that it has applied all the format to the non-formatted text. This is especially helpful when copying text from the internet. Another unique feature of the Google Online Productivity Suite is the ability to share a document collaboratively. This is what sets Google above traditional word processing. To share a document, click the blue Share button in the top right-hand corner. This is the Open the Share Settings window. In this window, you will select who and how you would like to share your document. Note that the automatic default is private, but you can change that to indicate more levels of sharing. To invite people, type their email addresses. On the next, you can also choose to add a message. At this window, you can give them different editing rights. Click Done when you're completed, and this document is now shared. A feature both teachers and students love is the research bar located in the Tools drop-down. This enables the users to search the web while remaining in the document. I'm going to search for a liger, and what you will see are my images show up here. I can select my image and drag it over. The image will automatically be cited with the selected annotation. As a teacher, knowing who did the work and when work was completed on a project is important. Revision history, located under File in the menu bar, allows you to do that. Once selected, you will see the history on the side. You can view the history and revert back to any past versions simply by clicking on Revert History. Lastly, Lastly, the user can add comments by going to Insert and Comment. You simply type the comment here and you click on the word comment. When I hover over it and open it, you will see that there is a resolve button. If I ask somebody to make a change and they've done it, they can click resolve and that comment goes away. By clicking on comments, you get a history of all the comments. This is the basics of using Google Apps documents. It's not so different from a word processing program.